हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आप लोगों को एक नए टॉपिक से इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी जो कि फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ नर्सिंग का है। दैट टॉपिक इज़ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द पेशेंट ऑन द एडमिशन और हाउ टू एडमिट द पेशेंट इन द हॉस्पिटल विद ऑल द लीगल अथॉरिटीज़ और लीगल पेपर्स. Okay, so first I will to tell you about the what is the preparation of the unit of the patient, how we will prepare the unit of the patient and how we will welcome the patient in the hospital. So सबसे पहले हम लोग patient जब hospital आता है तो usually हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसका registration करवाते हैं. Okay, first we will allow the patient to do the registration, and also we have to know about the patients all the things, that is about the introduction of the patient, what is the name of the patient, age, sex, and what is the complaint, what is the chief complaint of the patient, and why he or she is coming to the patient, what is the need of the patient. We have to know all these things. Then patient जब hospital आता है तो हम लोग यूजली पेशेंट को कंफर्ट बेड देते हैं. वी आर अलाउड टू गिव द, इफ़ दे आर कमिंग फॉर द OPD चेकअप्स ओनली, देन वी विल अलाउ टू ओनली चेकअप. that only we are used to do the physical assessment and examination, all these things we are doing. But if patient is coming with the specific chief complaint or any disease condition and they are coming in emergency case or they want to admit in the hospital, then we have a special consideration for that patient. We all are nurses, so we have some nurses role in preparation of unit of the patient. So patient आएगा, we will provide the comfort bed to the patient. In bed all the top sheets are there, bed sheet are there, pillow, comfort pillows are there, and we have to if the patient is having any respiratory problem or any dyspnea, then we have to elevate the head side of the patient. So then we are, after providing all these things, all the bed and all these things we are providing, then after that we have to take the history of the patient, means history collection. We will do, as a nurse we will do the history collection. So in history collection we all these things, that name, age, sex, already I have told you. What is the chief complaint of the patient, earlier she or he has taken any medication or any treatment from any other hospital, so we will take all these things. Then after that we will check the vital signs of the patient. Then vital signs, it's come in the physical examination. So head to toe we will do the physical examination, that any scar or any injury or anything is there on the patient body, so we have to observe, and after that we have to note in the nurse's record. And also if there is any specific problem or specific something is there, so we have to inform the physician immediately. Then after that we will provide the psychological support to the patient. We have to talk with the patient. After that physician will come and he or she is also take the patient history, or he or she may ask from the nurses that what is the patient's history. So we have to alert at that time and we have to tell all things about the patient. Then after that we will then doctors, at the doctor's prescription, if there's any medications is there, so we have to provide the medication to the patient. So what is the main purpose of preparation of the unit of the patient when he or she come to the hospital? So the main purpose is that to provide the comfort to the patient, to provide the psychological support to the patient, and also we have to know that the patient will not have any type of fear. So we have to, anxiety and fear, we have to free the patient from this anxiety and fear. So if nothing anything is there with the patient, that patient is feeling something like having anxiety related to hospitalization, so we have to notice that patient will not have this type of feelings. So on this only, so there is many roles are there, then nurses roles are there, that also we have to observe the patient time to time. We have to check the vital signs of the patient regularly, and also we have to notice that patient is having any if patient is having any need of like drinking water, eating food, so as the prescription of doctor we have to provide all these things. So also the main thing, if the doctor prescribed, the doctor allowed to take the some investigation like blood test, so the nurse's role is there, and the main nurse's role is there, that provide the comfort position to the patient. And if the doctor tell us to take the blood for the hemoglobin, to check the hemoglobin, so we will provide the comfort position to the patient, and also we will check the take the blood, and also safely we are taking the blood, that do not harm the patient unnecessary, do not expose the patient, so maintain the privacy of the patient. Then we will take the specimen and then send to the laboratory lab for the further investigation. So these type of things we have to know that what we have to do during the patient when he or she is come to the hospital. Then also we have to provide the safety to the patient, that nothing, no harm will be there with the patient, and we have to provide the comfort zone to the patient. We have to not allow the overcrowded public, like the family, unnecessary family members are coming and they are crying, and all these things we have to avoid. So we have to tell the family members about the patient condition, and we have to give the that psychological support, that patient will be okay, there's no problem with the patient, we will care of them, and these things we have to do. Then also we have to check that any scar or bed sore with the patient, that prolonged rest for the patient is very harm, because it causes the bed sores or pressure sores, so we have to notice that. So this is all about the preparation of the patient during the admission or preparation of the unit. So you guys are enjoying the video or taking the knowledge from the video, I hope so. Please like, share and comment, and also press the bell icon for the further notification of my videos. Thank you.